Hello students, in this video we will learn about how can we convert a return text into a table. So it is very easy. What you have to do, just select the text, then go to insert tab. This is your insert tab. Then you have to click on table option. This is your table option. Okay, so just first select the text, return text, then click on table option. Here you have to choose convert text to table option. This is your convert text to table option. Just click on it. Here you can change the number of column and rows. Okay, you can also change this separate text. I am choosing tab here and just click on OK. So in this way you can convert a written text to a table. Next is we can also apply borders and shading to our table. We can make our table look attractive by applying some borders and shading, and we can also give some style to our table. Okay, just see how can we apply border. Just select the table with the help of table move handle. This is your table move handle. Yes, this plus sign is your table move handle. So select your table. Now you have to click on the layout tab. This is your layout tab, or this is your design tab. Okay, just select the table again. Click on design tab. After clicking on design tab, you can see some option here: shading, border style, borders, and border painter and table styles. First, just see shading. What is shading? In shading, you can give shade to your table like this. You can add any color, yellow, you can add blue color, any color which you like. Okay, next is border style. In border style, you can add any border style to your table. Okay, next is borders. From the border option, you can add border to your table, or you can remove border to your table. This is a no border option. All borders, outside border, inside horizontal border, diagonal down border, diagonal up border. So these are the borders option. From the border style option, you can give you can add style to the border of your table, just like this. Okay, next is border painter. In border painter, you can add some colors to your border. You can paint the border of your table. You can choose color from this option. I'm choosing this color. You can also manage or change the width of the border. You can also make your border thick and thin from this option. Then just click on OK. Yes. And from the table style option, you can add style to your table, just like this. You can give style to your table. So this is your table. Just write anything inside the table: name, class, section. That's it. Thank you.